Namaste from Delhi, India. You may have already noticed, but something is missing from this video, and it is my amazing travel companion and girlfriend, Emma, who we just parted ways, and she is headed up to Rishikesh, India to pursue her 300-hour yoga teacher training. So amazing for her. She's gonna do awesome there. It's very sad leaving her. Kind of sucks, to be honest, but we will make it through. It's the first day of my 3-week solo trip through this amazing country. I'll be hitting some of the most well-known cities, and but today we're staying in Paharganj and just wandering around the area and just gonna check it out this evening. So this is my second time in India. First time we went to Rishikesh in October, did a week-long yoga retreat and stayed for about 9 full days, 2 days in downtown Rishikesh, which was quite the experience and a nice stepping stone into the madness that is Delhi. And then we did the week-long retreat in Tapovan, which is all Ayurvedic healing, spiritual well-being, yoga, all that fun stuff. So these are the alleys of Paharganj, which apparently is a tourist hub and hotspot backpacker area, but I don't see any other tourists. So I must be getting the real local vibe here. Namaskar. I have never gotten so many stairs. Namaskar. So I have absolutely no plan besides to just walk through the streets, get lost a little bit, say what's up to some people around here, meet some new people, put them on YouTube, and have a good day. Hello. No, thank you. Oh. Hi.
ये कैमरा जो तुम्हारा है व्लॉगिंग के लिए किसके लिए है?
Yeah, vlog.
Is this a camera used for vlog for you or for something else? Or are you doing some kind of survey?
No, vlog.
It's for vlogging.
Yeah, for vlogging.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Is there a YouTube channel of yours?
Yeah. You wanna
What's that?
check it out? Yeah.
Because I'm also a vlogger.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Your name?
My name is Tristan.
Tristan.
Yeah.
My name is Mayank.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah.
I was also thinking that I'll start vlogging.
Yeah.
It would be better with you.
It's not N-O-T.
N-O-T.
Another.
Huh?
Space.
Space.
Another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Travel.
Not another.
Travel vlog.
Travel vlog.
These are his renovated shoes. That's
So-
styling, man.
So this shoe has been renovated, maybe. That shoe was very tore off in just very rough condition. So I just made its condition to a fully condition.
Perfect.
So
Get him fixed right on the street right here.
yep,
Awesome.
that's the real man. That's the local cobbler of our area, and
He does the best job.
just a magical man.
Yeah. This is my new friend. He's gonna show me the main bazaar here in Paharganj.
Will it show? Can it be transferred in my mobile?
What do you mean?
Can you just transfer it via data cable?
I can send you it. Yeah, I can send you the video.
You can send me that. That's nice.
Yeah.
So all the people there, make sure to subscribe to the channel of Tristan because the true man of a vlog he is, and really a very hard-working man. So make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, and turn the situation to the like position also.
Oh man. That's a great travel partner I have right here. Great travel companion to show me around Delhi. Cool. So what do you do for work? What do you normally do in your free time?
In my free time, local. I'm kind of a scientist man.
Okay, scientist.
Scientist.
Okay.
I just used to think of all the things. What the things I can renovate, what the things I can improvise in myself.
Right on.
All the things.
Cool.
He was saying that you just scared me. That
Oh, with the camera out?
with the camera. He said that I was thinking that what you're taking in your hand.
Oh shit.
He just thrown it off as a gun.
Oh, that's not good. You don't want people to think it's a gun. Wow. Crossing the streets like a real local right now. Holy shit.
You saw that market?
We're walking into the main bazaar area now.
And now let's see the market here. These are the cooks.
Wow, the crazy guy.
Yep. The cook. नहीं भाई नहीं ओ भाई मैं यहीं गई हूँ यार लोकल हूँ मैं यहाँ का अरे हिंदी में बात कर लो भाई मैं यहीं गई हूँ तो इंग्लिश में बात मत करो मैं यहीं गई हूँ लोकल हूँ मैं Right now, it's the time of Holi because the festival of Holi is going.
March 9th and 10th, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
the festival of Holi is going to come, so all their water guns are there. These are the water guns.
I had a water balloon thrown at me earlier.
Water balloon?
Yeah. Landed right on my feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
Walking actually near the main bazaar through one of the alleys.
Okay. So, are you here till the date of 8 or 9?
In Jaipur during Holi.
In Jaipur? During Holi in Jaipur?
Yes.
Okay. This is the festival of colors.
Yeah.
This is a festival of colors as well as of the water and of the water guns. People used to make their joy by celebrating their colors and celebrating their happiness to everyone.
Okay.
At this festival, if you have any anger from anyone, and if there is any enemy of yours, you can also make him as a friend.
Okay.
On this occasion.
Awesome.
That's it.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. I'm also very excited for it.
Yeah. All right. So what are some tips that you would give to a foreigner like me? And say it's like their first time in Delhi.
If that's the first time in Delhi, so first of the thing that I'll tell to all the tourists is first of all, make sure for your safety. Don't come in the talks of the cooks that will promise you to show you these places in the selected price. Not come in their talks, okay? The second price is wherever you will stay, in your hotel or anywhere in your hotel, you can ask from them that what's the area to roam in around here, or you can just simply get to the GPS map or to the Google.
Okay.
You can also Google the locations that are here for the tourists. And many of the things are here, like in Delhi you can go to India Gate, to Delhi Gate, to Red Fort, and to our CP. CP means the Connaught Place. And if you're in Paharganj there, make sure to roam around in Main Bazaar also. That's a very nice view.
Awesome. So would you say Delhi is safe overall for foreigners?
Delhi is safe, but if you will roaming around here like after 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, then it's not that much safe.
Okay.
Yep.
Good to know.
Yeah.
And is Paharganj pretty safe?
Yeah.
Safe area?
It's safe area because at the time of 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock, it's also crowded there.
Yeah.
But I just make you suggest that don't roaming around there at the time of 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Till 10 o'clock, you're safe here.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Now I was walking through the back streets.
Yeah.
Is that safe too? Can I walk through the streets, the alleys, or do they not like when foreigners are kind of like invading?
No. Yeah, that's for sure. That's safe.
That's safe?
Yep.
Okay. That's good to know.
But I just told you that make sure that you have some safety tips with you, like some safety tools like pepper spray and the thing else. So that would be nice for you. Like pepper spray is very nice in all these cases. Like if some kind of thing happens, you can just simply take it out and just snooze it off there.
Where can I get pepper spray? I don't have that.
Then simply you can just call to the number of 100, 100.
Okay.
That's the police number here.
Police number, okay.
Police number 100, 101, 1097.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh! He's a crazy man.
Hey, get it. अबे ऐसे कर, ये देख. देखो बात अबे बस करो पीछे तो मत आ पैसे दे मैंने उनको दे दी मैंने दे दिए और दे दिए मैंने वहाँ पे दे दिए दे रहे हैं 10 मैंने वहाँ पे दिए काफी अबे कौन सा 100
Lord. We made it.
Yeah, I made it.
Yeah. Woo. I do have to say one thing though. Since I've been with you, I have gotten heckled like nothing. Like nobody has come up to me trying to sell me anything, or no rickshaw dwalas have like came up to me to try to take a ride from me. It's been very nice. It's been a lot more relaxing.
Yeah, it's really been relaxing because if you're here, so and if somebody is, if you can get to meet from a person that is very frank to you here, just not you have the eyes. Your eyes are the your senses that you can know that which person is wrong, which person is right. The person who is getting frank to you, you'll come to know that that person is frank or not. And which person is wrong, you will come to know it about it.
Absolutely.
So if someone is getting frank, they get frank to them, get to know if they are good or wrong, and you can just simply have your two better.
It will save you in India.
Yeah. You also very much look like Indian also. Why much look like Indian? Because you're having beard there. Because Indian also keep beard.
Please say that one more time so my girlfriend hears. I look Indian. This man is a fellow vlogger and he's looking for more tools. Yeah, some vlogging tools.
For some tools there. Look, right now I'll do that. There, let's go.
You gotta hold the stick out. There you go.
Oh,
that works good.
Now I will get there. So what's up everybody? तो आ गए हम लोग दोबारा से तो देखा जैसे बताया था कि हम भाई के साथ में थे तो भाई के साथ दोबारा से आ गए हैं और प्लस में मैंने ये यार रोइंग के लिए स्टिक खरीदी थोड़ी सी कि थोड़ा सा ऊपर से व्यू है तो कैसा लग रहा है भाई लोगों कमेंट करके बताना नीचे तो तब तक के लिए यार चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना भाई के पास हुई भाई को थैंक यू बोलते हैं.
We've made it to the correct bus stand.
We're at the bus stand right now and we're waiting for the bus. Then we'll show you the vlog of the bus also. It's very crowded. Oh,
that poor guy missed it. Oh, we barely made that.
So right now we're in the bus and yeah, you can see the view of the bus. So that's the experience from the bus right now. So let's see there. Let's go on. Good there. Show me. Yes. You can see the whole view of the bus. The outside view of the bus also. Anything else you want to see, then you can just simply open the window from there, right?
Right.
So, there. We can see the whole stuff there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah? Serious. Let's go. Take it to the bus. Bye bye.
We jumped out of a moving bus in the middle of the street.
Are you serious?
Oh my god. Wow.
But we just stopped 3 vehicles. They were coming from the back. We stopped them. Go.
Alright, so that does it for this day's video.